Here's a short video slash teaser of my pretty much complete revision 2.0 of my Big City Robot, aka Metroplex, with a few Dr. Wu figures sprinkled throughout, as well as a Pengu Toys undersized KO of DX9 Gabriel, aka Omega Supreme. So let's take a quick look around. I will do a complete showcase of the figure with all of the play functions and light up features and transformation in an upcoming video within the next week or so, possibly this weekend, if not next weekend. And the final revision of the files will be updated on CG Trader. Yes, he does. So, also this is showing off the ratchets in his arms. So they're pretty strong. I have the same springs in his legs, but given the legs are supporting the entire weight of his body, they don't hold up as well as the arms. He can stand on his own, and when I go to showcase him, I will have him standing on his own. I won't have him any dynamic poses because he is a high risk of falling over. He is top heavy. But anyways, that's a quick update. Arms installed and some Dr. Wu figures sprinkled throughout. And I designed him to go with my Dr. Wu figures. I think they're amazing little figures for what they are, especially their size. And they go perfect with him, especially in his city mode. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.